side washer. Put that washer right there. So I'm going to slip that on there now. Slide the pin up in there. I'm sliding a pin with my finger here. And put the washer and push the pin up. Okay. Has one lock ring right there, a clip. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and put that clip in there. Make sure it's moving like that and moving sideways. The bottom one first. Dowel pin. A little V cut in the rings. Line it up with that dowel pin because that's where it sits. You just slip one end of the ring in there. Keep that one out of the top groove and just slide it down. Just like that. Make sure it's moving freely. It's not binding up. And this is how it sits for the whole life of this. It's going to stay there. Number 2.